guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be following my friend's curly hair routine. Her name is Genesis Maria here on YouTube. Well, that's her name, her real life name, but she has a YouTube channel and she just posted, well, maybe like a month ago, she posted her detailed curly hair routine that I will leave linked down below in the description box. But in that video, she used some products that I have been eyeing forever, and I've always kind of been interested in them because the packaging is really pretty and eye-catching, but I just never tried them out. After seeing her results, I was like, okay, I need to try these. So definitely go check out her channel. I'll leave a screenshot of her channel here so you guys can just get a quick look. We'll tell her to make some more curly hair videos. She's kind of on a curly hair journey, dealing with postpartum hair and all that stuff. So yeah, so go check her out and all her other videos, and let's just get into this video. I'm also kind of just sitting in the corner of my bedroom. If you guys don't know, I recently moved. I have a whole extra room that I wanted to use as like a filming room, but it's still getting set up. I barely just got lights in that room. So yeah, we're just winging it for today. But I picked up some products from Dippity Do. I have their curl defining cream. So I have their curl defining cream. I have their curl jelly. And then I also have their curl boosting mousse. And mousse has been one of my favorite styling products, so I'm really excited to try this out. And then also I have this leave-in conditioner from the brand Hairitage, and I picked this up at Walmart. These are all really affordable products. The ones from TJMAXX were $5.99 each. Yeah, they're all $5.99, which isn't bad at all. And then this Hairitage leave-in conditioner, I picked it up at Walmart, and I believe it was like six to $8. I'm not really sure, but I'll definitely leave everything I use in this video linked down below. I also did use the Curl's Daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo and conditioner, which is what she used as well. I just don't have any cool shower footage, but I've really been loving the Curl's Daughter shampoo and conditioner. I'll actually show you guys right now. So these are the two that I used, and these are the same ones I've been using for months. I believe this is the one that Genesis used as well. I know they have a rose water version, which I personally don't like because I'm not a fan of rose water hair products. I feel like they're always way too strong and it like lingers in my hair. I cannot stand it. So let's just get into this hair. I'm just running my brush through my hair to make sure all the tangles are out. I did have to re-wet it because it's been a little minute since I got out the shower, but it feels really nice and soft. I absolutely love, especially that conditioner. The cleanser, the shampoo cleanses your hair really well. It can almost feel a little bit dry, but the conditioner does a really good job at like rehydrating and softening your hair. Okay, I'm gonna look at her video really quick. I just wanna make sure I'm applying it the same way that she applies it and everything is the same.
Out, and we will be separating the hair for all the other products, but for this, I mainly want to focus this on the ends of my hairs because the ends seem to be the more driest part of my hair, especially since I permed most of my hair because after my pregnancy, I permed my hair because my curls were...
Okay, so she uses the Hairitage leave-in conditioner and she mostly applies it to the ends of her hair. I'm really excited to try this. I'm really excited to try all these because honestly, I just like trying new products. But this is a brand that I've been seeing for a while. I don't know why I can't open this. Oh, okay. I can't open it because I'm trying to twist it off, but it just has a little push cap here. So it squeezes out like that. Ooh, it smells really good. And it's kind of like thick and creamy. Definitely not something that I would want to put all over my roots. So I'm going to follow what she did and just put it towards the ends of my hair. This smells really good and I don't know what it smells like. I also don't have a mirror, so I'm just using the viewfinder on my camera. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of this kind of like on my roots to just help with any frizz I might get, but I don't want to put a lot up there because this is kind of a thick product. Okay, so leave-in conditioner is all in, and I'll do a quick little rundown of what's in this product since I didn't say anything about it before I even started. But it is a leave-in conditioner pudding. I guess that's what makes it kind of thick. It is a little thicker than some of the leave-in conditioners that I have, but it's a pre-styler leave-in condition or leave-in treatment that conditions hair. It's phthalate, paraben, gluten, mineral oil free, color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. I'm trying to see if it has any scents or like what fragrance or something because I don't know what this smells like, but it smells really good. I don't know what meadow foam seed oil smells like, but it does have meadow foam in it, and it also has coconut oil, shea butter, or just some of the ingredients. But it does say that it is a strength training leave-in conditioner. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's kind of bright, but yeah, I really like this so far. So next we're gonna see what product Genesis uses next.
Go on. The postpartum, my hair went curl back to life. A curl defining cream, which is like a jelly consistency, honestly.
Okay, so next she goes in with the curl defining cream, and I'm just gonna separate my hair into different sections to apply this. So let's see. Ooh, it's a little bit more watery than I thought, but it does have like a jelly consistency, as Genesis mentioned. It smells really good too. It smells kind of like tart, if that's the word. Like it smells like candy. But I'm just gonna apply this in each section. It kind of has a sticky consistency, like it almost feels like a gel. And you guys, I'm going to be getting my hair cut. I have an appointment for August 7th, which I'm really excited about because I'm going to this new curly hair salon. And my hair has gotten so long since I cut it in February. I didn't really cut it in February. I took like maybe an inch or two off, but I didn't do anything crazy, but it's definitely grown so much since February, and it's kind of just looking really blah. So I'm really excited to get my hair cut, and I think I'm going to actually cut it. Like cut it. We're not gonna do a little trim, we're gonna cut it off. I mean, I'm not gonna do like a big chop or anything, but I want it to be like a noticeable difference. If I'm paying money to get my hair done, I want to walk out of there and be like, wow, she cut her hair. And it's really cool because I think it's like a new style of a cut. It's not a diva cut and it's not a Resource cut. It's like a new style that the lady kind of created. So I'm really excited, kind of nervous about that. But I've seen her work and she does amazing hair. And she also did my sister's hair, so that makes me feel better because my sister's hair came out really nice. So anyway, I'm most likely going to vlog that, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I'm not like super shy and I actually vlog it, because I think that'd be a cool video. I don't know why, but my hair is like knotting up and that really never happens, which is weird. And I also have like these little crystals on my nails, which is making it really hard to run my fingers through my hair. I just realized that before she moves on to the next section, she goes in with the jelly. So that is what I'm going to put in my hair before I move on to another section. Ooh, it smells the same as the defining cream. I don't know, it smells like candy. It smells really good, and it has like a really pretty pink color. It's like hot pink. That's pretty. I'm a little bit nervous because my hair is feeling weird that it's feeling weird, and I don't want this to be a bad wash day. I'm just gonna try to be very light-handed because my hair gets easily weighed down and I want to have nice fluffy curls. Not gonna lie, my hair feels, I don't know how to explain it besides weird. It honestly feels kind of dry. I think I maybe need to add some more water because it doesn't feel like it's gonna look good. You just know by the feeling of your hair that it's not gonna come out good. So let me go get some water. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat the same process to the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna go in with the curl defining cream and then the curl jelly. Okay, so for some pieces in the front of her hair, she goes in with a Denman brush. I do not have a Denman brush, but I'm just gonna use my Tangle Teaser, which is what I've been using basically to do the same thing, just kind of define some of the curls that lay at the frame of my face. And lastly, she goes in with the mousse and scrunches this all over her hair. So I'm just gonna, okay. I'm just gonna shake it before I use it. And then we're gonna squirt some of this out. This says it reduces frizz, adds body, replenishes moisture. I love mousse so much. It also smells exactly the same as the other two products. So let's get started. Okay, so all of the products are applied, and I'm not gonna lie, my hair feels really dry for some reason, and it's weird because I felt like my hair was really soaking wet. I felt like my hair was really wet as far as how much water I actually had in it since I got out the shower. So I want to know if these have like alcohol in them, because I just kind of feel like something is drying my hair out and I don't know what it is. Okay, no, this one says alcohol free. Alcohol free. Alcohol free. What about this leave-in conditioner? The leave-in conditioner does not say alcohol free, and there is benzyl alcohol in the leave-in conditioner, so maybe it's the leave-in conditioner, but honestly I don't know really how this hair is going to turn out. I also feel like I don't have like a lot of definition. I don't know, I just feel like this is going to be a really weird wash day, and I'm a little bit bummed. I don't want to get my hopes down too much because I was really excited, but we're just gonna wait and see how it turns out. I'm gonna let my hair dry, and I'm also gonna get back on and diffuse it. So these are my final results. I air dried and I ended up diffusing off camera. I air dried for like 2 hours, and then I really didn't have to diffuse that long, and I just kind of fluffed out my hair. And this is what I'm working with, which it's really not that bad. I was getting a little negative there because my hair just feels really different. It actually does still feel kind of dry, and I'm not sure why, because all these products, I don't know, I mean, they're not like moisturizing or like super hydrating, but I don't know. It's just, maybe my hair just really needs to, like, I haven't really did a mask or anything like that in a long time either, so it could just be a whole mixture of things. So these are my final results, and I actually do like the way that they came out. I think I'm gonna do like a nice deep moisture mask on my hair, try these products again and see if my hair feels any different. Don't forget to check out my friend Genesis Maria's YouTube channel. Tell her I sent you. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, definitely hit subscribe before you go, and don't forget to hit the bell so you know every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye!